Welcome to the Fruition Boostanalytics eBay Toolkit dashboard. The software will provide you with quick and easy access to reports, but also all the tools and software to help you maximize sales on eBay. Within this dashboard, it tells you how many optimizations and revisions you've got remaining, along with how many live listings you've got in eBay with easy access to create new listings, edit live listings, but also bulk revising live listings as well. The software has already scanned and analyzed all your listings and will show you how many are non-eBay compliant, how many listings need optimization, and how many of your listings haven't got one of the free templates applied as part of the account. Below this section gives you easy access to today's optimization tasks. It has selected 5 listings to help get you started with optimizing listings on eBay. For the one-click fix and optimize, just click the auto fix, and it will show you which areas of the listing needs optimization. It has already pre-filled the required and important missing data ready to approve and publish back to your live eBay listing. For example, this listing is missing out on a whopping 1.7 million searches over the next 30 days because it's missing important item-specific data. Boost will help optimize the listing and help optimize the item title too, but more importantly, the missing item specifics to help improve search reach, search visibility, and search ranking on eBay. You select all if you want to add them all, or select which ones you want to add. Simply click Apply Changes, and that optimizes the live listing back up to eBay, and then you can start tracking the performance within the Boost optimization tool. You could jump into these different areas to be able to optimize different needs very quickly, and if you're on the Auto Fix package, it will automatically optimize them and fix them accordingly.